Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I have an amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I partnered with them to offer a free $500 trading position on their platform to do with as you choose. If you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100. I personally used it to take a 3x leverage long on Dogecoin, and if it hits $1, I'll make around 15k for free. Definitely worth checking out below. Alright then, we're just taking a quick look at Polygon on our daily time frame, and as we can see, we are getting a really nice bullish reaction over the past few days because Donald Trump has become the president of the United States. Extremely bullish for crypto. He is very pro crypto, as we know, and his fiscal policies for the economy are going to be very good for business as well. So we're probably going to be heading into a good area of prosperity for the US, which is obviously going to be really bullish for crypto in general. You can see two big lovely green candles for Polygon here. I did, as I said about a week ago, take a long position at these lows here because we are so ridiculously oversold right now. It's unbelievable for Polygon. I literally cannot believe how ridiculously oversold we have got. We're actually down below the bear market range low support level at around 30 cents, which is unbelievable. You can see we're back here. This is probably the area of the bear market. Really, we're below that now, and you can see we've actually come down again. I need to adjust my Fibonacci as a result, because obviously we are going to be looking at new levels now that we've come down and made a new bear market range low. You can see quite clearly here that we're getting some nice bullish reversing action off of these lows, people buying back into the whole market, to be fair, averaging into pretty much everything. Everything is up today because Bitcoin's at all-time highs and looking strong. I do think Polygon, as you can see, I took my long position here, which is back into profit after a small drawdown. I would probably expect this to be heading back up to, I would say, that 50 cent area of the 0.23 Fibonacci over the next few weeks for a full reversal of this downtrend area move. I do think all these cryptos are horribly smashed down and undervalued, and they are going to be getting reversals soon. Bitcoin looking like it's leading the way, everything looking bullish. Let's see what we can do. Make sure to sign up to ByBit for a huge 30k bonus down below. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100. Bitrue are also offering 50 USDT for depositing, or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, AlphaX down below in the description as well, and like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.